If you live in an urban area, you probably have a network of underground sewers carrying wastewater away from your home. These sewers are designed to handle a certain volume of water but can become overwhelmed during heavy rains. As a result, sewage can back up into your home through drains or toilets, creating a messy and potentially dangerous situation. You can do a few things to help prevent sewer backups. Install check valves. No one wants to deal with a sewage backup, so it's important to take steps to prevent one from happening in your basement. Check valves are important in flood prevention because they close when water starts flowing backward. It prevents sewage and stormwater from coming back up through your drains and into your home. You can get check valves installed by a professional or purchase them at most hardware stores. By taking this simple step, you keep your basement dry and free of potential sewage backups. Install sump pump. When sewage backs up in your home, it is usually a nightmare. Not only is it a gross mess, but it can also pose a serious health risk to you and your family. Fortunately, there is a way to protect your home from sewer backups by installing a sump pump. A sump pump is a small pump installed in the lowest point of your basement or crawl space. When water accumulates in the sump pit, the pump automatically turns on and removes the water. This helps prevent the water from rising and flooding your home. In addition, sump pumps can also help protect your home from foundation damage by preventing water from seeping into the soil around your foundation. So, install a sump pump if you want to keep your home safe from sewage backups and floods. Install rain gutters and downspouts. Installing rain gutters and downspouts can help prevent sewage backups during heavy rains. Gutters collect rainwater from your roof and channel it away from your foundation, while downspouts direct the water even further away from your home. They help reduce the water that saturates the ground around your sewer line, making it less likely to back up. In addition, you should also consider installing a backflow valve in your sewer line. This device prevents sewage and wastewater from flowing back into your home, even if the main sewer line has overflowed. Call a professional. Sewage systems are designed to handle a certain amount of water. When they are overloaded, they can back up into your home or business. Heavy rains are often the cause, as the rainwater can overwhelm the sewers, causing a backup. It's important to call a professional if you live in an area prone to heavy rains to help prevent this from happening. If you notice sewage backup, call a professional service like SERVPRO of South and Northwest Grand Rapids. We have the training and experience to safely clean and restore your property. We are available 24 hours a day to help. Call us at 616-622-9700 to get your cleanup started. SERVPRO will inspect your system and ensure it is in good working condition. We might also recommend some changes you can make to help reduce the risk of sewage backup. Sewage backups can be a messy and smelly problem, but more importantly, they pose severe health risks for you, your family, and your pets. Moreover, the damage to your home could be equally disastrous and very costly. However, by following these simple tips, you can tackle the issue quickly and effectively and keep your home clean and free of sewage backups.